Greetings, ambitious job seekers. Step confidently into the domain of Tara Nawa's channel, where a plethora of exciting opportunities eagerly awaits your exploration. If you're ready to embark on a transformative career journey, you've arrived at the ideal destination. Our esteemed partner, Nafasi Water, is actively seeking a dedicated and seasoned maintenance electrician to join their dynamic team. Don't let this invaluable opportunity slip through your grasp. Take swift action and submit your application promptly. For a more in-depth exploration of this compelling opportunity and a seamless application process through our user-friendly platform at jobopportunities.net, simply click the link provided in the description below this video. Get ready to be captivated and inspired, because Tara Nawa's channel is brimming with enlightening content. And for an even more profound journey into this captivating realm, stay tuned for updates from Emma.
Hello, dear friends. Today, we warmly invite you to our platform, a meticulously crafted haven designed to nurture your professional journey, all consolidated in one thoughtfully created space. If you're in search of exciting job opportunities, your quest concludes here, as we comprehensively cover all your needs. Whether you require expert guidance to craft an impressive CV or aim to enhance your interview skills, fret not, for we have the precise solutions you seek. And if you're seeking inspiring videos to keep your motivation soaring, our extensive and diverse collection is ready to bring you joy. To stay updated on the latest job openings and gain invaluable career advice, we kindly request your unwavering support through likes, shares, and subscriptions to our channel. By sharing our channel with your friends, you empower them to pursue their career aspirations with determination. The Tara Nawa team warmly sends you the very best wishes from Swakopmund. Keep pursuing that dream job, you're on the verge of hitting the jackpot. Until our next encounter, take excellent care and stay inspired.